Hey guys, Ben Mark from the Photography Coach here, and here's 3 tips on how to instantly improve your photography. Number 1, get those elbows nice and tucked in when you go to take the photo. When you're in here, you're very rigid and solid and there's no movement. When you're out here, there's a lot of movement to be had and you'll easily skew the photo. Second tip is when you go to take the photo, breathe out. It makes such a difference to your images. It makes you calmer, more relaxed, and you take a better shot first time, which means you take less photos. You're locked in here, no movement, creates less motion in the shot and actually means you're going to probably take a sharper image. And the third thing is, don't always just be stood up and shooting the same photo. Get down low, get above, angle your camera around, make it more interesting. You can still lay down on the floor and get your elbows tucked in like this, or you could be looking down and get tucked in like this. That's 3 quick tips on how to instantly improve your photography. If you like this, tag someone below that would find this useful, and also check out the link in my bio where there's even more information on my photography coaching.